Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Sign up using your real name, date of birth, and a secure password. Use an email you control and confirm it before adding payment methods. Complete identity verification with a government ID and selfie to lift limits to 5,000 per week. Add two-factor authentication. Install an authenticator app and save backup codes. Enable biometric unlock on mobile for convenience. Review account limits and regional requirements. And note that business accounts need formation documents and a tax ID for higher thresholds. Choose a payment method. Link a bank for ACH transfers, add a debit card for instant buys, or deposit crypto from another wallet. You can fund via bank ACH, wire, debit card, or crypto deposit depending on region. Expect a 1.49% ACH fee and around 3.99% for debit card purchases, while wire fees may vary. Most purchases allow amounts from. Minimums vary by asset and region. Be aware of daily and weekly buy limits until full verification completes. On Coinbase, select an asset, choose buy, then pick market orders for instant fills or limit orders to set a target price. Use dollar amounts or crypto units. Use the Coinbase wallet for self-custody or keep holdings on the exchange temporarily, but consider transferring large holdings to a hardware wallet for cold storage. Monitor tax events and export transaction history for reporting. Enable notifications for price alerts and check network fees before withdrawing to another address.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.